Remember the day before when Tiffany was there with her mom? Remember that hug she talked about? She wished she had hugged her mom longer. Imagine for a moment that a man comes. The man knocks on the door. He's got a briefcase. And he says, Tiffany answers the door and he goes, I have something here for you. For you and your... Actually, there's another briefcase. But we got to bring that to your sister, Chelsea. And in these briefcases is $1 million, because $1 million would fit in a briefcase. This is $1 million for you, they say to them. $1 million. Tiffany would say, well, I didn't do anything for that $1 million. Say, no, you need to take it. You need to take it, Tiffany. Because today we're going to take something from you. We are going to take your mother. Get this $1 million, but we're going to take your mother. It's a fair trade. It's civil justice. You can't talk to her. You can't text her. You can't have a glass of wine with her, eat some lasagna with her, go on a hike with her, go fishing with her. You can't talk to her. She will cease to exist. For 1 year, we're going to take her away from you. You won't know where she is. But for 1 year, you each get $1 million. Fair justice, it's reasonable, it's compensation. You get that $1 million. Tiffany would slam the door in that man's face. She'd slam the door in his face and say, get out of here. But the thing is, he keeps knocking. And he screams through the door, I'm leaving it here because you have no choice. You have no choice. Your mom disappears for a year. But you and your sister each get $1 million. That's reasonable compensation. If you think that it should be anything less for each year, then you can say that to each other back in the jury room. And if you think it ought to be more for each year, you can say that to each other back in the jury room.